Council of Industry is very valuable in helping us to invest in our employees.
You're really only as good as the people that are working with you.
So training our employees is critical.
As a small company, we don't have the resources to put together our own training programs.
Because oftentimes you might only have one or two people who need that training. So by combining with all of the other companies in the area, it really helps save the company a lot of money.
The training that the council offers is not only very comprehensive, but covers a variety of the different areas
that are very specifically geared toward manufacturers.
So when we send our employees to a training, they're going to build their network of other specialists in different manufacturing companies that they can call on for problem solving.
And so they might hear how another company is doing something, and that in turn could give you an idea of how you could be doing your job differently.
And that's of vital importance to us because we spend a lot of time and an effort trying to get employees up to a level where they can contribute and add to our productivity.
So if you can provide training for your employees that you know is going to benefit you in the future, there's no reason why you wouldn't want to do that.